what's up? Welcome back to another vid. Today we are doing a Minecraft dumb ways to die, or stupid ways, should I say?
And we're doing this on Stupid Ideas.
And this is our Stupid Ideas channel, and I want you guys to go into
Wait a second. I was standing on there, then I wasn't. Something's not right here. Something.
So
I'm stuck. Wait,
he's,
what? I was just...
he's a cuckoo man. And you may recognize this from the AVK's channel. Yes, this is actually my Let's Play world. So, yeah. Hits 366 and Epic Jess in this vid, clearly, because it's Stupid Ideas. Unfortunately, once again, Alex couldn't join us. But, yeah, Hits is in creative. If I can prove that to you. Oh, what's wrong person? Oh, there are barrier blocks here. So she's gonna go make some traps, and yeah.
I made the first one, but it may not look. Avery, Jesse, you're in this hole. This is a hole, and it's totally not a trap.
Yeah, it's just a hole.
It's a hole, it's not a trap. The first very stupid way to die is by fishing.
By fishy.
Wait, are you gonna kill us with a fish?
Yep. How do you kill someone with a fish? How do you kill someone with a fish?
Jesse, come here.
No.
This is stupid because it's a fish. I mean, come on. Avery, this is just sad.
I'm just like.
Okay, he put us in adventure.
And I'm gonna say it's an operator
Make the
because
next
it's my word.
contraption, okay? So, are we going to cut?
Sure, we will cut and see you guys. Well, in like half a second for you, but like it will probably be like 10 minutes for us. So yeah, guys, the trap broke. Super sorry about that.
It's really annoying.
Mr. Cow, it's raining. It's a depressing day. What do you have to say?
I'm coming to say hi. I'm just looking up.
Hickey,
how is it?
How is your day?
Hello.
How is your day?
Wait a second. Wait a second. Why are we back in the... Why are we back?
Oh, a hole.
Why are we back?
I feel like that was a stupid mistake.
Why are we back in the hole?
Can someone tell me if that was a stupid mistake or not?
I think it was.
Okay, guys, I want you to, Avery, move all these dirt blocks.
Yeah?
I want you to...
I can't break them. We can't break them. Are you placing bushes?
Are you placing rose bushes that can hurt us?
Here,
Can rose bushes actually hurt you in Minecraft?
Anything. No.
There's a rose. Go onto it.
Oh, yay!
It doesn't hurt you. But
you need to get the berry bush.
Is here, look. Wait, let me just see.
Where is Mr. Trap?
Yeah, so there's no blocks, obviously, because I can't see a block. I'm just standing on this rose. I can't believe you thought that was supposed to hurt us. Like, come on. What the heck?
I just hit myself with an arrow. Look at this. I'm hitting myself with... Wait, it just got stuck.
I'm confused.
It just got stuck.
Why are you making me go in a bush when it doesn't hurt me?
You covered us with barrier blocks.
Stay there.
Wait. Oh no! I've got an...
I was the one responsible.
I had only lost 2 hearts.
You can't kill me.
Stay there. This is your
I can kill you.
safe spot.
Wait, I can't. Can you place stuff
Get
in
onto
adventure?
the rose bush, Avery.
Can you place stuff in adventure?
Nope.
Avery, get onto the rose bush.
Damn it! I have an anvil. 2.
I can't. I'm stuck.
There. Get on.
Please, my life is over. I can't get up. Oh, there we go. Thank you.
Get onto there.
I'm on the anvil. Wait, I just got out somehow.
I'm coming.
No, I just got out, guys. She's too good.
Alright.
No.
Oh my god!
How
did that happen?
I just shot Jesse.
Guys, okay, we'll be back soon enough with another
I just stole some anvils, and that's gonna be really helpful for my first one.
Okay, we'll see you soon.
See you guys soon.
for you.
Okay, guys, so they just left to go somewhere. They don't know I'm doing this.
Okay, Ace, I'm back. What are you doing? Are you doing something? I can't see your screen. I'm fixed on my screen. Avery, I'm looking at your screen in 5 seconds. 5.
How do you use
4,
file?
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, so, you know, I'm totally not.
Are you blocking something? I don't see anything.
Oh my god, this dude's a dick. I
What did you just call me?
really hope.
What did you just call me?
I'm just.
Oh no, that's gonna kill me.
Okay, Ace.
Yeah?
If you're recording, I'm recommend you.
Don't worry, guys. Just saying. When I get back, all of this stuff will clearly be gone.
Okay.
So yeah, I'm just gonna
Are
pause.
we gonna start recording soon?
I'm just gonna pause and wait. Yeah. This is it. This is a pranking channel. So why not just do this? Just. Oh shit, it's lagging. So what you want to do to use fireworks is you want to hold down, click space, and then right click, like this. So yeah, we're just organizing the next prep. This is a little behind the scenes thing.
Oh yeah, I see.
And in the meantime, I'm just gonna quickly Naruto to the Nether because I actually found a Nether fortress, and I just want to check on something there. So
Wait, yes, I know my next track.
yeah.
We're recording.
No. It wasn't recording. You just missed the greatest prank of all time. But I got traumatized by it. So, yeah. Basically what happened...
Wait, Ace, where's my Elytra?
Oh, I stole your Elytra, sorry.
Avery, I'm gonna kill you.
It's right here. It's next to me.
Guys, so,
Where are you?
Oh, Jesse, I see you.
Wait, where are you? Okay,
Yeah.
here you go.
Guys, come to me. Jesse, you're so close to me.
Okay.
Yeah, hello?
Just let me go into survival, okay?
Okay.
And then you need to follow me, but no killing otherwise.
Okay, we won't. We're in.
Oh yeah.
Oh, so
That was
Guys,
recording. I really hope they don't see it.
it's
Wait.
still recording.
Avery. Okay, guys, come on, follow me.
Yep,
And get into that hole.
it's a hole.
Yeah, go on.
Oh
Walk
god.
forward. Walk forward. Jesse, get in.
Oh no.
Avery.
No. Please don't kill me. Why did I do that?
They'll be up.
Shouldn't I go get my
Over
stuff
here.
and yeah.
Okay,
guys, so I'm basically just gave myself bad omen. I'm gonna summon a
What
villager.
does it do?
And now there's a raid. Dude, I need you to get
Raid?
into my base.
What does
No,
this do?
dude, get into my base. Get into my base
What does
right
it
now.
do?
Dude, if you die, you are done.
Is this something they can do?
Yeah, you get the bad omen. You kill a pillager. Dude, does anyone have a lead right now? I need to protect this villager.
You can't lead a villager.
Villager.
But there's no
What
one.
does this do? I want to see this. This is...
Look around you. Just look around you.
Yeah, nothing.
Just wait. Look in all directions. Yeah, Jesse, yeah, I'm running. I'm really running now.
Why?
Do.
I don't know.
Crap,
This
crap,
is
I'm
cool.
about to die.
But I want to see. What is this?
Jesse, look behind me.
I don't see it.
Oh
my God, what
there's
is
the
this?
raid.
What just happened?
Why did the raid just end?
What happened?
There's a pillager.
Where is
Do.
it?
Avery, what have you done?
Did somebody just raid you? Is that it?
We're gonna have to give Bad Omen back, guys.
I'll kill him. I'll try and kill him.
Except, okay, so let's go quickly. Okay, that's better. And then let's go summon
Oh my god, he's killing me.
villager.
Is this all that happens? Just people start. That guy just starts coming.
Did he just die? No, Dudley DeQuavis die. Oh, I've got an iron chest plate and 2 thingies. So yeah, basically we're trying to get
just
the.
set up my own trap.
Guys, can we start?
Yep, we started recording.
Oh, we have.
Yeah, I want this to.
You have done it 3 minutes longer than me.
How is it work?
Okay,
Can
guys,
we-
I'm just gonna
okay, where's
set
your
up
trap?
my I haven't set it up.
Slash effects.
Okay, so this might look like mucking around. It's work, people, work.
This is called behind the scenes.
Oh my god, skeleton! A skeleton just shot me through a block.
That wasn't a skeleton. That was a pillager.
There are pillagers in there.
Oh, what the frick? How did pillagers get in there?
Oh my god! There are so many pillagers. Is that what happens? Just pillagers just come? I didn't
Yeah,
know.
that's what happens. Okay, let's summon a villager, and then I'll give us all bad omen.
Well,
Bad omen
how
coin. Oh, the raid started.
how to
children.
do this?
No, Avery, we're trying to do something.
I know, but this is also kind of fun because you know.
This is why. This is
I'm
fun.
killing the person with a trident.
That's a drum.
It's called a drum. I'm just like, ooh.
No, I'm
So-
killing a pillager with a trident.
A pillager.
A pillager.
Oh, you're killing.
That's a crossbow.
Using a
No,
trident.
this is a pillager.
Oh,
I'm
using.
oh my god, there are so many of them.
It says cuckoo. Guys, this is absolutely cuckoo. So,
No, I died.
basically, I'm prepared. I just got my armor.
Are you done yet?
Yup, exactly. So.
Okay, me and Adra are just on a raid trying to kill all
So
these
yeah, this
villagers.
is probably what
This
the
is like breaking.
this is like probably what the last part of the video is just gonna be. It's just because we kind of
Raid mobs are.
There'll be
this
a
is
part
so,
two.
This is cool.
just say it'll be a patch totally. Did we just no broke again? The raid ended again.
No, because we killed all of them.
No, there's normally a level 2. There's level 2.
Okay, Hidi, what is?
Just
Okay,
wait.
Hidi, what do we do? Why do I have it?
Oh, the raid started again.
Good.
Guys, we need to protect this villager. Jesse, what?
Stay down there. No, Avery, get in there.
Okay.
Yep, I'm here.
Teleport me to Jesse.
Okay, wait.
This is gonna
let me
actually
get
be a safe space. Please, save me.
Okay,
Okay,
okay, I'm gonna
I will-
record. Okay, 3, 2,
TP
1,
Avery
go.
to you.
Guys,
TP
I'm
Avery
starting.
to you.
Okay, wait. Hello.
Just
Okay.
wait now.
Avery, I haven't started recording.
Okay, I think I'm suicide.
Don't commit. Ace, don't kill me.
Okay, you guys. So there are
Stop.
people.
I don't know why I'm not
No,
recording.
we're being shot. We're being shot. We're being ambushed. Just we're being
There's a. Okay,
Guys, we're
I'm
being-
recorded. I'm recording.
guys. We're being ambushed. He's the one getting hit, which is a good thing. Oh, 2 motes remaining.
What?
Did I lose my arrows? Did someone just die?
3, 2, 1.
And he's back. Just
And I am back. Okay, wait. Somebody.
guys,
some-
oh no.
Okay,
it's level
Didi, what are you gonna do? Why did you put us here? I don't know.
Wait,
we're
I
trying to.
need to do something. So stay there.
But-
No moving. Get in.
That wasn't me. Actually, that wasn't me. I'm gonna go into F5. I think it's for my own good.
Yeah. Come
Can you
I'm
Please
died.
close the ground.
I'm dead. There's a pillager in our base, and I'm in A5.
Oh no, guys! I am doing. Hold up. Let's quickly kill these
I'm
guys in F5 as well.
Oh my
Let's kill these
God.
guys. Let's get.
This is like.
Oh, the raid ended again. Perfect.
Okay, can we?
Hitty, please, can you Did you just kill Eddie?
Yeah.
I had pets.
Oh, what?
I've spent 20 years trying to get wolves.
Okay.
I have 3 dinner bones
Wait, come
and
here.
2 grams.
You do realize we're still recording.
I know that took me so long to get. I'm not
so
even
Hidi,
joking.
what are we doing?
Okay, so I want you to just stand in there. Just go somewhere and stay there. You're no moving. Just yeah.
And we still have an adventure. Oh yeah.
We're going here.
Just wait. Let me
Yeah.
get my barrier block and get in.
Okay. I don't know what's happening.
Yeah, get in onto each other. And hopefully you can't get out. Okay, now this is going to be very funny.
Why?
Let's see. Hopefully this works. In my calculations, right?
No, there's something trying to hit us.
That's
That's me.
Hiti.
I'm just like this.
Hiti, what are you?
I didn't mean to. It's
You're-
meant to be good for you.
How am I not dying?
No, it didn't
I
work.
thought you were going to do a dispenser that made us go into the air.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a dispenser and fix that. Okay, guys, this isn't working, so let me just do this.
Something behind me. Oh, it's a skeleton.
Just like this.
Hi, skelly boy.
If you guys don't know how, if it just is the trident, there's I actually gave him that.
For a second, I thought that was a baby
Okay, that
skeleton.
works. Good.
So yeah, my footage is about to end. So we're gonna have to roll over to Epic Jess. And
Oh my god,
yeah.
that's a creeper.
So yeah, bye guys. Hope you enjoyed the vid. Please sub, like. See ya in the next one.
Well, still in this one.
Bye.